TDN, Verydarkman, why are you trying so hard to damage the Igbo man's business in China, all in the name that we are trying to help Nigerians?
Waga
TDN.
Waga I want to correct you concerning the video you did. But correct me. What VDM is doing from my own thinking faculty, I'm seeing it that he's trying to pave a way for those people who import goods from China. With what he's doing now, you can now talk to the person live and direct. Because I know some people that have complained to me, see, most of these business owners, you know, some of them do send money to people in China or somebody in China to help them buy goods and send. At the end of the day, I call their money, Now, I give an opportunity for you to talk with the CEO live and direct and do business with the owner of the company live and direct. Guess I spoil the Ndigbo business or not in the Igbo business, Half banana hate tribalism. Where is tribalism? Somebody in Nigeria send money to them to buy goods and ship for them. At the end, Manda could go here. Then the video my guy, he will update it to connect, like to pave way so that you goods each other together the owner in the factory poor life and direct. They say maybe you are Ndigbo business or not Ndigbo business. Who is half of the hate tribalism? I did about some of these business owners in area cemetery. Most of these men are who say they don't have money to go to China, but based on say everyone send the ego, yes, of Taragos mail shipping. Emranamado Leguru, why you ego Abahim. Then somebody I got with give it updates so that our people can have access to the CEO, Galaxy, game Rapano price. This maybe we're in Ndigbo business. So online in Ndigbo business like China. No, we have.
You will manage the comment taken a mono. A video trend 2 days ago. Maka Waga say Verydarkman again. I'm on the short video 19 Wakeskibo Koloku. Now let me lend my own voice to it. There are 2 advantages and disadvantages to this thing one amen now. There are advantage and disadvantage to everything in an name. Let us tell ourselves the truth. Now, Verydarkman je ko mepe guzo ko de lo onye na mma. He said it categorically in a video here that he is not a businessman, that he may do this thing and fail. Another person will do it and succeed. Why? Because he is not a businessman. Let us not take away that from him. He is not a businessman. Verydarkman aburu a businessman. I go why is Yoku in this thing. Verydarkman is not a businessman. Mana, the advantage of Ihona Akwadime is bigger than the disadvantage, which is Ginime. Mona Gina Abonoli here now decide you kissing naturally maybe business. China is an open wide village for everybody to do whatever you want to do. They are open for business in as much as you are genuine. One I walk skibo kuloku sina. What about those Ndigbo na Ndigbo ahụ? Ya bụ iweta ego ka emeli gị heli ego gị kuchie ya. Gina mara abawa nkata. What then is the benefit of this connection? This man na akwadi, this Verydarkman na akwadi ime ka ọ dịle onye ọbụla nke. Are we going to say na Verydarkman was a businessman? No, he's not a businessman. Does he have knowledge of Igbo person as a business person? No. But let us tell ourselves the truth. Obona Verydarkman may hand the Igboland around him. Siana imegi ngwana, let us pick it up from here. Okay, we better go this container. Ngwa, let there be a market control for this thing so that onyuku ye benefit, onyonta ye benefit. Amal okay, this thing is a regular price to it. Uchi egu eme announcement na nihe eti kwa nego. ego a na-elezi akịta ọ bụrụ onye pụta na-ele 10,000 nwanne nwoke na-ele 20,000 ọ dịrọ mma. Verydarkman made this business ọ dịla onye ọbụla na mma. If you can open that door, because now let us tell ourselves the truth, a lot of ndị be anyị na-aghọli ndị be anyị. A lot of ndị be anyị na-aghọli ndị be anyị. That is the honest truth. Anyị achọzi na anyị na-achọ ihe ọma wee na-emegbuzi onwe anyị ọ dịrọ ọnụnụ mma. Now let's take for example now nwanne anyị nwoke wụpụ ofeng na-alụ power bank, alụ earphone, alụ charger, alụ ihe niile ọ na-alụ. New age bụkwa onye Igbo na-alụ nke ya. Onye ọbụla mee gịnị ị na-elivulu onwe ya hapili. Enwere ihe ọjọọ dị na datin. Then ndị ọzọ na-emekwa other tribes na-alụ nke ha. Ama onye nwe Oraimo, ama ndị nwe Airtel, Itel, mana ha nche na-ebu gịnị, they are in this business together. Onye ọbụla na-alụ to beat up the market demand and to beat up the stability. That is how a nation grows. Oile chi pofeng abịa na-ewesa new age igbe. No, new age kwa na onwe nke anaghị anọsa pofeng ọgụ. Everybody are doing their own thing by themselves. Minus ndị ọda akụchi nọchakwa na-eje welekwa those things ejekwa je resample ya. Ọ ka bụkwa ndị be anyị na-emekwa most of those things. Ọ dị nọ mma. And Wagaji na-ekwu okwu manụkwa ama na Wagaji alapụtago ndị Igbo anyị. Wagaji alapụtago ndị Igbo anyị. Gịnị ka o mee ndị Igbo anyị? O ji emepe ọnụ si na enwere some of ndị Igbo nọ na China na nwere akwụkwọ no ihe aka ji survive, and this video agago viral. Wagaji at this point now is an enemy to ndị Igbo. He is an enemy to Ndigbo because when you thought no he's speaking for you, no, he's actually there for his effort, because now having a lot of people go from that China so that they can be marketing their product and be speaking for them. Gini ka ha me summer base na ele moto. The same people say na summer base na eme mma, mecha si na eme njọ. At the end of the day, backbite summer base. This is ya na azụ market wakwala onye Igbo ọzọ moto nke ya. The same thing goes to J Park. A lot of them. Esi na mmadụ adị emete ihe nka, ị hapụ datu moto ahụ onye ahụ na-eme, ya market wakwa moto onye nke ọzọ. So this is the greed in this system. It's a greed and a form of disease that we need to live. Wagaji emego onwe enemy of ndị Igbo while because na osi na ndị Igbo nwere akwụkwọ. What if na ndị obodo welu that video a bido bịa chụwaliwazia some of our people na nwere akwụkwọ na alahụ na street, and they went as far as posting videos of ndị be anyị na alahụ na street. They went as far as posting videos of ndị be anyị na alahụ na street. What other definition of hatred ka unu chọ? Let us ask ourselves this question. Ọsọsọ ndị Igbo na-atọ ngwa ahịa na China. Why did you use that comment in chime ndị Igbo business? Ọsọsọ ndị Igbo na-atọ ahịa na China. Anyị niile nọ ndị Yoruba inaugurate ya chairman leader ha ndị Yoruba community na China ebe ahụ. Anyị niile nọ, we witnessed it, we saw it online. So this issue of gidi it is uncalled for. In this case, Verydarkman has the more advantage, clearly disadvantage of Yona Akwadime. Because tomorrow, that thing click here. If you decided to go and do better, you can meet that company. See name kwala nke di brother na use. Mana ndị buy alike charia. Mela ya to this standard. Mela ya to this standard so that can another choice, can another market strategy. Because the same thing goes to Hanwa. Oh Hanwa bata China. Funa China na ship their motor petrol cars to Nigeria. They decided to go into it, including JPAC and Co. That was why they fought Summer Best. That was why they fought Summer Best. At the end of the day, how on earth have you all of a sudden a car dealer? A middleman nele moto because you made contact in China, and that person made contact with Hana actually ship their motor, they use the petrol because they want to run more on electricity. They want to run more on it. So those cars, there is a massive importation of car in Nigeria because now China and other countries are shipping it to us here in Nigeria, and somebody is benefiting from it. Another person creates their avenue you see them on and not chime Ndigbo business, while a lot of you have already damaged the image of your brothers in business. Waga should be careful, because you have been when Ndigbo na China from today, why via deportation, via ijide mmadụ ka isi eme na US, via icheke akwụkwọ roughly n'obodo. All Waga contributed to it because he said it in his video that a lot of Ndigbo no n'obodo enwere akwụkwọ no Saga ka ha just survive. So in Abogodo Saga, you can't even go and renew your papers because they know how they smuggle their ways into some of those, and many people have been doing it for years with their lips sealed. Always a ton Wagaji Aurelia Bandi Bonangu. A word is enough for the wise. God the one.